We're Eco Green Garden Care and we get it done with STIHL Battery. Running 6 to 10 STIHL batteries in each vehicle gives us more than enough power to get through the day. There's no downtime. Power is constant and performance is high, regardless of charge level. We found run times are more than adequate, and robust battery design means we can work in all conditions, including rain. Speaking to the cost, since going 100% battery, we found that our initial investment is significantly offset by having no ongoing fuel costs. Low noise and no fumes are attractive to both our clients and our team, while also increasing our workday flexibility. Simply charging the batteries at the end of each day ensures we are ready for whatever the next day brings. STIHL Battery for Pros is all we need to get the job done.